guys, it's WADZ with the WADZ UP channel. Today we're at the BC Overlanding Rally in Whistler, British Columbia. I'm with Todd with Topper Lift. Todd, thanks for having us today.
Yes.
Right on. Share with our friends here and YouTube what Topper Lift's all about, because it looks like a pretty cool idea.
Sure. Basically, the frustration with having a topper on is you have this big rolled drop lift, and you think pretty much anything you can fit in the back will fit, but then it misses by 2 inches, driving guys crazy. So we created basically a system. It's steel electric worm drives that replace your topper clamps. In a few hours, you can raise and lower your canopy. And what that does, it gives you the ability to haul ATVs, lawn tractors, forklift stuff in your truck for the contractors, farmers, or people, you know, the do-it-yourself kind of guy. And then after about 2 years, we realized we had kind of a fair amount of space, so then we added our tent system. It's a double-walled insulated product. It's made by Clam Outdoors. They invented this product. It has no-seam screens and windows on all three sides, and it literally folds up in 30 seconds. It's your own tiny home in the back of your pickup. You make it your own space. You just push a button, raise and lower your cap, it all folds up out of the way. So at work, at play.
You can just remotely raise and lower this with these hydraulic struts.
So our whole goal is to kind of travel light, move fast, have the best switch, the best wiring connectors money can buy.
Right.
And it just works. And we've been doing it for 10 years. You break or destroy anything on the system, I replace it for free as long as I own the company. And once you have it, you won't go back.
So this setup here, you've got a bunk bed system.
Yep.
You could just put, you know, a queen size bed in there, but I like what you've got set up here because obviously someone up top, someone down below, you got your food and then room for other supplies here. You got your fishing rods stored up top. You've even got some, you know, if you want to watch a movie or Netflix, if you've got internet access, you got a little fan there. That's great.
We also run heated blankets inside our sleeping bags. And then we run them on battery packs. This is a Bold North power pack. It's a lithium ion, it's a 40 amp hour, which is literally equivalent to a 100 amp hour gel battery. It's lightweight, it's super efficient, and then we charge it off our 7-way hitch receiver using All in Charge to recharge our battery pack.
When you're on the road?
Yeah.
Great. So how long does that
basically,
last, that
just
charge?
because of modern LED technology, and even the fridge doesn't draw a lot of current, we can go about 4 days, and then we go in to have breakfast, and on a 20-minute drive, it'll recharge our battery pack.
Is there a lot of guys on the market that do this type of design?
Well, we just invented it. So we started about 10 years ago in 2009. Two guys basically out of a garage. But, you know, we do a lot of marketing, advertising, TV, but the world's such a big place. Like, a lot of people run in here have never seen our stuff, but yeah, we've been at it for 10 years and really popular in the West Coast and in the East Coast. And we're from the north, and so we're actually moving to these, you know, coming to do shows. Sure. Mainly online, direct sales. We do work through ARE too. We have 600 ARE dealers that have been doing installations and stuff like that for people that don't want to install it, but it's designed basically to be a self-install. It's pretty simple. Great.
The only question we haven't asked, cost, price. What's this going to cost?
The lift and tent combo is $1,900 for the double-walled insulated, factory direct, drop ship to your door. The shipping and all the taxes included in it. That's just the price.
All right. So $1,900 US, and then you're going to have to purchase a topper.
Yep.
And does it need to be ARE, or could it?
We like the ARE brand, but all the topper manufacturers basically have gone to one-piece molded fiberglass, right, so it fits them all universally. Okay. ARE just makes a nice quality product. They all pretty much do, but right. We work a lot with the ARE.
Is it specific to Tacos, Tacomas, or does it also fit GM, Chevy, Ford?
It fits all the trucks and all the cabs. So that's what gives a lot of value is if you sell your truck or you have a truck on a lease. I've done guys' trucks that are on 3-year leases, and I've taken the same system and every 3 years put on a different truck and different cap over 3 years. The tenting is even made that way. How we did that is if you see these strips right here, 5 foot, 5.5 foot, 6 foot, it rolls out to 8 foot. So it gives a guy a lot of value. It's like a set of rims and tires can cost you that much, but they're gone in 3-4 years. Where this, you know, you can take it from truck to truck for a lifetime.
Great point.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time.
Yep.
Great invention.
Yep, thank you.
Cheers.